additional. May kasama nga nun. Auxiliary building. Opo. Emergency warehouse, food packs. Yes.
There also a preposition all over the region. But definitely, this one will have its own warehouse also to serve the area close to this area. Pero all of it, sa buong Calabarzon po, it's already prepositioned. Ayan. So, yun po. Yes. Tapos ngayon po, as of the moment, yung lahat ng clients na dumidiretso sa kanila, actually they're catering it, inaayos nga nila sa labas. Nasa labas, nag-aantay yung mga tao ngayon humingi ng tulong sa DSWD. Naka-tent lang po sa labas. So here, we will be putting up also, yes, a comfortable waiting area. Yes. Aircon, aircon, aircon. Sabi ni RD, sabi ni Brian. So, depende po kay ARD. Depende sa DPWH. So, yun po. So, we'll just lead you for you to be able to see yung itsura po. Ayan, so we have to go in. Ayan, so let's invite our guests. And then after this, lilipat naman po tayo on the DOH side building naman. Ayan. Alipat. Inip na po sila. Gusto na po nilang lumipat. Kasi they're catering to the biggest region in the country. Calabarzon is the biggest region in the country. Saka marami pong taga Batangas na nasa DSWD region na excited nang lumipat dito at malapit lang yung kanilang bahay sa Alabang. Wala. Yes. Ayan, sige po. ARD Joel and